Hello and welcome everyone. I'm outside today because it's a lovely day. We're going to have a phonics lesson outside, so I hope you enjoy. Alright, we're going to start with our long vowels first. So far we've learned A, E, and I. So if you notice, each of these vowels has a line over it. That means it's important. It needs to say its name. It has the long sound. Alright, so watch me first. This is the letter A. A says A. Next one. This is the letter E. E says E. Last one. This is the letter I. I says I. Alright, let's do them together. Alright, first one, A. Next one, E. Last one, I. Alright, again. First one, A. Next one, E. Last one, I. Alright, go ahead and try it by yourself. First one. Next one. Last one. Good job. Alright, now moving on to the short vowel sounds. These are the traditional ones you usually learn when you're learning the alphabet. So, this is the letter A. A says ah. Next one, this is the letter E. E says eh. Last one, this is the letter I. I says eh. Alright, let's do them together. Really pronouncing those sounds because I know E and I can sometimes sound a little similar, so really try to say them. Alright, first one, ah. Next one, eh. Last one, eh. Let's do it again. First one, ah. Next one, eh. Last one, eh. Alright, go ahead and try it on your own. First one. Next one. Last one. Good job. Now during the rest of this video, I really want you to pay attention to really pronouncing those vowel sounds and paying attention for those important symbols. But first, we're going to go through some of these other letters so that we can review their sounds. We're just going to go pretty speedy through them. So let's do them together. Get ready. T. Next one. Last one, N. Alright, we have a digraph here, TH, coming together to say th. Let's do it together, get ready. Th. Next one, Last one, K. Good job. Alrighty, first one, get ready. Next one, get ready. S. Last one, get ready. D. Now we're moving on to blending, so we're putting all of those sounds together to make some words here. Some will be shorter, some will be longer. Alright, so the first one we have here is. Let's try to sound it out. Is. Let's do that together, get ready. Is. Again, get ready. Is. One more time, get ready. Is by yourself. Nice job. Alright, moving on to our next word. Notice that there is a line over these E's here that's going to make it say its name. Go ahead and try it on your own first. Alright, you should have gotten eat, feet. Let's do it together, get ready. Eat, feet. Again, get ready. Eat, feet. One more time, get ready. Eat, feet. And by yourself, get ready. Good job. Alright, moving on to these words. Notice that they all end in the same sound. Let's see what happens here. Alright, try to sound this one out. It. Let's do that together. Get ready. It. Again, get ready. It. One more time. Get ready. It. right, moving on to this word. I noticed that it also ends in IT, so I can actually rhyme it if I want to here. I could say it, sit. Let's do that. Get ready. It, sit. Again, get ready. It, sit. One more time. It, sit. By yourself. And last word over here. It also ends in IT with a different beginning sound. Go ahead and try it. Alright, you should have gotten it, fit. Let's do it together. Get ready. It, fit. Again, get ready. It, fit. One more time. It, fit. By yourself. Good job. Alrighty, next two words here. Try this one on your own. Get ready. You should have gotten e, see. Let's do it together. Get ready. E, see. Again, get ready. E, see. One more time. E, see. By yourself. E, see. I did it with you. By yourself. Get ready. Good job. All right, moving on to this word. Notice it has a line over it, so we're going to say its name. Try it. Get ready. You should have gotten g-a-t, gate. Let's do it together. Get ready. G-a-t, gate. Again, get ready. G-a-t, gate. One more time. Get ready. G-a-t, gate. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Now we're moving on. Well, we've done our sound reviews, we've done blending, now we're moving on to rhyming. So we're rhyming with the sound ick, ick. Now on its own, it's kind of a silly word, but we're going to add a beginning sound to it. So our beginning sound here is, you're adding ick to the end of it to get sick. Let's do it together. Get ready. Ick, sick. Again, get ready. Ick, sick. One more time. Get ready. Ick, sick. By yourself. Get ready. Good job. Alright, we're also rhyming with, this is kind of a simple one, at. So we're going, this is a word on its own, but we're going to add a beginning sound to it. So we have CH here. CH is a digraph. So when CH comes together, we get the sound ch. Go ahead and try to blend or rhyme it together. Get ready. You should have gotten ch, at, chat. Let's do it together. Get ready. Ch, at, chat. Again, get ready. Ch, at, chat. One more time. Get ready. Ch, at, chat. By yourself. Get ready. Good job. Alright, we are rhyming a little bit more with at. So we have different beginning sounds in front of at. Go ahead and give the first one a try. You should have gotten at, pat. Let's do it together. Get ready. At, pat. Again, get ready. At, pat. One more time. At, pat. By yourself. Good job. Alright, here's another at family word. We have TH this time coming together to say. Alright, go ahead and give it a try. Alright, you should have gotten at, that. Let's do it together. Get ready. At, that. Again, get ready. At, that. One more time. Get ready. At, that. By yourself. Get ready. Good job. I just noticed these kind of look like smiley faces there. Alright, let's move on to this next word. So we have a different beginning sound. Try and rhyme it together as best you can. Get ready. All right, you should have gone b, at, bat. Let's do it together. Get ready. B, at, bat. Again, get ready. B, at, bat. One more time. Get ready. B, at, bat. By yourself. Get ready. Good job. All right, and last but not least, we are reading a sentence. Okay, so we're going to stretch it out as best we can. So this first one is I. Now we stretch out this word. I have. Next word. A. Next word. Stretch it out. Et. Pet. And last word. Ah. Rock. So now we put all of those words together. Watch me. I have a pet rock. All right, let's read it together. Get ready. I have a pet rock. Again. I have a pet rock. One more time. I have a pet rock. All right, you go ahead and say it by yourself. All right, so I believe that is all. We practiced our vowels. We practiced some other sound reviews. We practiced blending those sounds to make words. We practiced rhyming. And finally, we practiced reading a sentence. So we practiced 5 things today. As always, if you want to extend this, you can practice copying the sentence, I have a pet rock, onto a separate sheet of paper, including a capital letter, spaces, punctuation, and spelling your words. But that's it for now. Have a great day. Bye.